Sa ibang balita, ginugunita kami kailangan ang National Fried Chicken Day. Pagkakataon para sa konsulado ng Pilipinas sa Toronto na ibida ang kilalang Filipino fast food chain. Ang Jollibee exhibit at papel nito sa trade relations ng Canada at Pilipinas sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Jollibee also has very deep roots in Filipino culture.
Maituturing na simbolo ng pagka-Pilipino ang popular na Filipino fast food chain Jollibee. Sa konsulado sa Toronto, opisyal nang binuksan ng isang Jollibee exhibit sa Small and Medium Enterprises Showroom, isang espasyong inilaan para sa pagtatampok ng mga produktong Pilipino. Ang event na pinangunahan ng Jollibee Foods Corporation kasangga ang Philippine Department of Trade and Industry. Bahagi rin umano ng pagdiriwang ng nakalipas na National Fried Chicken Day ngayong Hulyo.
We have so many products out there, but sometimes awareness is lacking. So through this effort of the DTI, we hope that this would help bring more of our products and our SMEs into the global stage and into Canada.
Ayon kay Philippine Trade Commissioner Mario Tani, malaki ang papel ng brand pagdating sa trade relations ng Canada at Pilipinas.
They have a plan in place which may include franchising in the future, but details of which would be announced by the Jollibee management at a future time. But I think it's very exciting when that time comes. It would serve as a catalyst for fast growth of Jollibee in Canada.
Kumpiyansa siyang lumalakas ang ugnayan ng dalawang bansa pagdating sa usaping pangkalakalan.
If you compare the exports of the Philippines to Canada this first half of the year compared to the same period last year, it has increased to almost double the level. And there are a lot of good relationships, good projects in the pipeline. And we see that there's no way but up for both countries' relationships.
Iba't ibang pakulurin ang hatid ng Jollibee sa komunidad sa Toronto. Bukod sa pagbisita mismo sa konsulado, mayroon ding mga papremyo na makukuha mula sa Jollibee Yonge and Broadway branch.
To make the Jollibee exhibit here at the Philippine Consulate more exciting, simply take the photo of the exhibit, visit the store, show your photo, and you will able to win fabulous prizes for using the spin wheel.
Kasabay ng paglawak ng brand sa Canada, hiling ng Filipino-Canadians, dalhin din ang ilang paboritong menu items na binabalik-balikan sa Pilipinas.
Yung beef pepper mushroom, yes, yun. At saka yung ano nila, yung ino-offer nilang breakfast with corned beef. Yeah, I wish yun madala dito sa Canada. Ikaw ate? Hotdog? Jolly hotdog.
Sa akin yung peach mango, hindi naman talaga yung peach mango. Tsaka yung crispiness ng chicken.
Gusto ko makita sana yung breakfast kasi marami silang choices for breakfast na wala pa dito.
The mallow pie. There's a choco mallow pie, that's what it's called. Yeah, I haven't seen it here.
Higit 25 na ang Jollibee store sa Canada at sa patuloy na pagpapaigting ng ugnayan ng Canada at Pilipinas sa gitna ng trade war sa Amerika, kumpiyansa ang korporasyon na makapagtayo ng mas marami pang branch ng sikat na Filipino fast food chain. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.